Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without losing your sanity or your wallet. Today, we're putting two high-flying drones head-to-head, the Loily drone and the Chubery super-enduring brushless motor drone. Or, as I like to call them, Loily and Chubery. Sounds like a mismatched buddy cop duo, right? Let's dive in and see which one of these sky surfers deserves your hard-earned cash. Alright, let's start with the price tag, because let's be real, we all want the best bang for our buck. The Loily drone is priced at a modest $99, leaving you with enough cash to buy some avocado toast. Meanwhile, the Chubery comes in at $149. That's $50 more. Or, as I like to call it, a fancy dinner more. So point to Loily for being budget-friendly. Now, for user-friendliness. Loily brags about being perfect for beginners and kids, with one key takeoff, landing, altitude hold, and headless mode. It's like the drone equivalent of training wheels. Chubery also caters to newbies with similar features, but throws in follow me mode, because who doesn't want a drone that's clingier than your ex? Both are user-friendly, but Chubery has that extra stalker vibe. So this round is a tie. Next up, let's talk cameras. Loily comes with a 1080p HD camera, which is great for capturing those Instagram-worthy shots. But Chubery one-ups Loily with a 2K HD camera and a 130-degree wide-angle lens. It's like comparing a flip phone to a DSLR. Chubery wins this round because who doesn't want a drone that can see more than you can? Battery life is crucial. No one wants their drone to drop out of the sky like a bird that forgot how to fly. Loily offers 25 to 30 minutes with 2 rechargeable batteries. Not bad, right? But Chubery struts in with 3 upgraded batteries, providing up to 84 minutes of flight time. That's almost the length of a rom-com, people. Chubery takes this one without breaking a sweat. Portability is next. Both drones are under 250 grams, so no FAA registration. Yay, less paperwork. Loily can fold up and fit in your pocket or backpack, making it the ultimate travel buddy. Chubery also folds and comes with a portable carrying case. It's a tough call, but Loily gets a slight edge here because who doesn't want a drone that can literally disappear into your pocket like magic? Now, durability. Loily comes with propeller guards and spare fan blades. Pretty standard. But Chubery, with its brushless motors and upgraded composite material, is basically the Chuck Norris of drones. Strong, resistant to falls, and not likely to burn out during long flights. Chubery wins this round, hands down. And finally, after-sales support. Loily offers 24-hour technical support, a quality warranty, and money-back services. Chubery, on the other hand, provides a 1-year warranty and permanent support. Permanent support? It's like having a drone therapist for life. Chubery takes this one too. When it comes to online reviews, Loily is praised for its user-friendliness, value for money, and fun features like 3D flips. However, it struggles in windy conditions and lacks advanced features like GPS. Chubery is appreciated for its excellent camera quality, stability, and ease of use. But some users have faced issues with reliability and control. Both drones are well received, but each has its strengths and weaknesses. So, there you have it. If you're balling on a budget and want something compact and user-friendly, Loily is your go-to. But if you're looking for the drone equivalent of a Swiss Army knife with killer battery life and durability, Chubery is the way to go. Which drone are you leaning towards? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another Buy Smart showdown. Until next time, Fly high, stay smart, and keep shopping savvy. Catch you later, smart shoppers!